name's Angela, and welcome to Bedtime Stories. Today we're reading a wonderful book from the Wiggles. It's called Everybody Dance. Do you like to dance? I know I sure do. Let's begin. It is a lovely morning in Wiggletown. Lucky is singing a song wearing his favorite purple shirt. With Emma in yellow, Anthony in blue, and Simon in red, join in with the singing and dancing. Look at all those wiggling fingers. Soon, Anthony gets out his blue electric guitar. Simon turns on his microphone, and Lucky plays his piano. They make music for Emma to dance to. Emma dances a beautiful ballet with a smile. It is such a nice day outside, so the Wiggles decide to go for a drive. Lucky, Simon, Emma, and Anthony put their seatbelts on and off they go. They drive past the beach and see a little red crab smiling and dancing on the sand. The Wiggles soon arrive at Captain Feathersword's wharf. Captain Feathersword is on his ship singing a song called Point Your Fingers and Do the Twist. The Wiggles love the actions in the song and join in. Captain Feathersword says, "There's more music down below with Henry the Octopus. Put on your underwater equipment and have fun. Arrgh!" "Thanks, Captain Feathersword," says Lucky and Simon. Lucky and Simon dive into the sea to see Henry the Octopus, who is singing and dancing. Lucky and Simon really enjoy Henry's underwater show. Back on land, Emma asks, "What should we do now?" Lucky replies, "Let's find somewhere else to dance." "I know," says Anthony. "Let's go to Town Hall." "Great idea!" exclaims Emma. The Wiggles arrive at the Town Hall, but it's set up for the Wiggletown Festival, so they can't dance there. There is a green balloon, a yellow balloon, a purple balloon, a blue balloon, and a red balloon ready for the festival. The Wiggles decide to try and dance outside. They see their friend Wags the dog. They all sing and dance together. As Simon, Anthony, Emma, and Lucky dance, Wags the dog buries his dog bones. "Be careful, Emma," calls Simon. "There are lots of holes from Wags digging." "Oh no," cries Emma. "I don't think I can dance here either." The Wiggles wave goodbye to Wags the dog and start driving home. Along the way, they notice beautiful birds at the park making their own music with chirping and tweeting. The Wiggles get out of the car to listen to the birds sing. Suddenly, Emma gets an idea. "Let's sing and dance with the birds here in the park," exclaims Emma. The Wiggles perform Do the Propeller and pretend to fly around. There's lots of room to dance. "This was a great idea, Emma," Lucky says happily. "It's so much fun singing and dancing outdoors." The end. Thank you so much for reading this wiggly story with me. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!